So it's the next morning here in Chefchaouen and we just finished up with breakfast and the views again so amazing. And there was a girl up here who was having her breakfast as well, and we got talking and we were both supposed to do the Akchour Waterfalls today. Oh yeah, by the way, the guy did not message me back, and she had booked the same one as well, and she never got a reply back. And no, she got a reply back because she messaged him, and then he said that, oh, he's sick, so he cancelled it. And with me, I messaged him a few days ago confirming, and was like, yeah, see you there, whatnot. And then I was waiting for him to message me and ask what hotel I'm staying at, and he didn't even bother doing that. And I didn't message him saying, oh, I'm at this hotel, pick me up from here. I wanted to see if he would bother. Like, that's how you know if they're professional or not. And we both booked it from the same place. It's called Love Chefchaouen on Instagram and TripAdvisor as well, I think. But yeah, so we're both gonna go together. So we just started talking. She's like living in London. She's like she's from Lebanon. She's like grew up in Canada from age of 10 and whatnot. But yeah, she lives in like London as well. So we're both talking. So we're gonna go together and do the Akchour Waterfalls. So that's nice, because I was thinking like I was gonna go myself, but then I was like, I don't want to go by myself because like it's quite sketchy going by yourself. Like hiking, like you could slip, something could happen, you could get lost. It's good to have a guide with you, but the guide would have been like so expensive as well, like £50. But now we're going to go together. It'll be so much more easier. But yeah, she was really nice, so shout out to her. But yeah, we just had breakfast. I just sat at the same spot over here. Really nice breakfast. I'm really thirsty, and it's really hot. It's 11 o'clock. So yeah, the guide was supposed to pick me up at 9, but me and Rebecca, we're gonna go together. But these are the views. But yeah, so after when I came back yesterday, I was just chilling in the hotel. I was so tired. I didn't even go out to eat. I wanted to go out to eat and wanted to go out to exchange money, but I didn't even do that. And so last night I just rested really well. I had my alarm set for 7:30, and then after my alarm I fell back asleep. I woke up just before 9, so pretty recovered, but dehydrated. I'm really thirsty. But yeah, it's my last day here in Chefchaouen, and after breakfast tomorrow morning I'm heading to Fez, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you are subscribed. Yeah, but yeah, now we're gonna go to the Akchour Waterfalls, and Rebecca is in her room waiting for me, so I need to go pack my bag and get out of here. I need to go exchange money as well first, and she needs to withdraw cash, so we're gonna do that. But I just can't get over the views. And then just from up here, when you come down from the terrace, there's another lounge area. I don't know for sure this one. There's like a small lounge area upstairs, and there's some rooms over here. We've got a lounge area. We've got a fireplace. Got a nice view over here. When you go down here, like another small lounge. Come here, got reception there. Got another room there. Like a small lounge area over here, and a fireplace. And look at more rooms down here. And then my room is here. I just remember I didn't ask her what her room number was. I want me to find her. But we'll probably find each other. Yeah. I'm back in my room. There. Yeah, this is the toilet. Let me show you again. I love this like cute little window. And I really like this like stone looking shower. But so much water spills out over here. Get a flood over here. Let's see what it looks like. But anyways, I'm gonna go get my stuff ready. Okay, I thought let me show you this bag that I got from Amazon as the hand luggage bag. So I got my main suitcase there, 20 kg. Wait, let me turn this off. Okay, you probably could not hear anything. Okay, so that's my main luggage, 20 kg that I got. And I got this bag from Amazon, and it's the exact size for Ryanair, the exact measurements. And I just got my shoes in here, and I had my Tom's shoes in here, and then I'll do like a whole full review later on. CBA for that right now. So let me show you my outfit. There's no full length mirror in this place, which is like so annoying. I'll just set you down here. Okay, so this is a set from Primark. I'm gonna be wearing my Nike trainers that I wear to the gym. I love these, it's so comfortable. I'm gonna be wearing this hiking, and I'm gonna take my bag with me and put my towel and slippers. And after about 45-minute taxi ride, we made it to Akchour with, do you want to be in the vlog? With Rebecca, who I met at the hotel. And luckily we were both supposed to be going to Akchour, and we both booked the same guide who flopped on both of us. Yep. So yeah, we just went together and we got a shared cab with the locals. It was supposed to be 25 dirhams each. No, it's supposed to be 25 though. Yeah, it was supposed to be. But there was one person less because of the shared, so then we had to pay like 30 dirhams each. But it's very, very hot. The views were very nice along the way. But yeah, we are like high up in the mountains. And don't know where we're going. Just
don't know where we're going.
Walking down.
There are no more masses to follow. I don't know if you've noticed.
I know. Like, oh, there's a huge crowd behind us. So that's alright. Hopefully we're going the right way. Okay, so hopefully it's picking up on camera, but these are the mountain views. They look so amazing.
It really does.
And then also like driving up the mountain was kind of sketch. But it's not as bad as driving up the Babadog mountain in Oludeniz in Turkey. That's like a lot worse. This one was like alright. But she was a lot more scared. So we got local shops to buy stuff. But it's so hot. And this is my outfit for today. Got this matching set from Primark, which I love. Got my backpack, and my trainers, my Nike, and my sunglasses.
Got me a bit of primer.
In it? Some of my holiday shirts I get from Primark, so they're cheap and they're very nice. And the quality is good as well.
It is.
It is, yeah. In it? Primark all the way.
Okay, we're definitely going the right way. I feel like this is. I
Yeah.
read about this. It said that once you reach the local shops and restaurants, then you're going the right way.
Yeah. I also bought a portable fan from Amazon, but I didn't bring it with me. I left it in my suitcase. So that was like a dumb thing. I just left it there. But it doesn't matter. In it, it's stunning. I can hear like there's a river. There's like a small river there. This is just like a small part of it. Okay, so we're at this dam that Rebecca was saying that there's two ways. You can go that way or that way, and it goes to two different paths. One goes to a waterfall.
Yeah, he says you
one
took
goes
the
to
trail
God's
on
Bridge.
the left and cross the bridge to walk towards the waterfall. So this is left, right?
This one goes to the waterfalls.
Apparently.
That God's Bridge.
Continue walking on the path until you arrive next to a stand selling cuisines and fresh drinks on the left.
There's no signs.
No.
And I haven't done much research on Akchour Waterfall. I've seen it in a few vlogs, and I thought this would be nice to go.
This is the bridge, right? I think we should go that way.
You wanna go that way?
My gut is saying to go that way. So is the blog. But let's say it's my gut.
This dam looks so nice, and there's people like jumping off over there and swimming, and it just looks so beautiful. So cool. And I was just saying, I can't swim or float, but if like the water comes up to here, then I'm fine.
I think the little waterfall is really shallow. So
Yeah, should be alright. But I was also saying, I've never hiked before, and I've always wanted to hike.
There you go.
And I'm like having my solo traveler moment. I'm hiking, met another traveler who's also solo traveling for the first time.
Yep.
It's like a wonderful experience.
I think we can get a guide,
Yeah, because if I were taking a guide, it would have been like 50-60 pounds. So we're saving a whole bunch of money. And just doing it ourselves.
Probably would have been like cheaper, but still.
Yeah, true.
The thing is, we can never know with them.
Yeah.
They might try to scam you, and then it's quite.
Yeah, I'll do like say something first, and then at the end,
Yeah.
probably up the price.
See, that's the difference in Uzu. It was nice,
Yeah.
but the water was disgusting. Like it was not clear at all. It was dirty. I didn't swim there. Not very tempting.
But this looks amazing swimming.
Amazing.
So these are the waterfalls.
Hello.
And the small one is what that?
That one. I think there's a bunch of like small ones, and then that's the like main big one.
Oh, okay.
That one's pretty big too, actually.
That's like the one in Dalaman.
Yeah. That's the main
In
big
Turkey.
one. That's the one I saw. And then the small ones, I think there's like a couple of ones. I think that one is where you can swim and it's shallow.
Yeah.
And that one, I don't think you can swim. I think it's just like a...
Cool. Onwards then.
I think maybe we have to go up.
So there's a cafe over here. And see like small, oh, that's so cool. Little small like river bits. People are in here. Okay, so we're going back a little bit and going up. I'm gonna go up this part, see where this goes to. But the thing is, there's no signs anywhere. And it's probably so people can like show you the way and you can tip them. Try to do it ourselves. Okay, so we come up this path, which is so steep. And it's so stunning. And we're gonna go further up, see where it goes to. Got another steep part over here. So we've been hiking, not for that very long. It's getting steeper and steeper, and I'm like kind of out of breath. My asthmatic lungs are trying to keep up.
Are you asthmatic?
Yeah. And also my bag's like freaking unnecessarily heavy for like hardly anything given in there. But it's nice. It's a nice hike. Okay, so I needed more water because my mom's running out, and they filled my bottle up for me. Thank you. And yeah, they didn't charge, so that was nice. Hopefully it's clean water and I don't get poisoning.
All the goat water should be clean and natural.
Yeah, hopefully here it should be. Okay, now it's getting like steeper.
Yeah.
Okay, so we made it here. It's like the third waterfall, like small waterfalls or something. But Rebecca was saying it's not like the main small waterfall. I really want to take a dip, like these small ones. Okay, and now we made it to the small waterfall. Took a while, but we made it. Now I just gotta figure out how to get down here. can't hear me, but our food has finally arrived. We've got chicken tagine, chips. The chips are so amazing. Mint tea and some bread. And we are starving.
Pretty good. What do you think would be your next destination?
Well, I wanted to do Egypt in November. The thing is I don't have any holidays left from work. So I was thinking, should I just quit and go?
Great option.
I know. But I don't know, I want to figure out how to go. Also, like, so I was asking before when I was like trying to book holidays, like, just to do unpaid leave. And the manager was like, no, it's not a thing. I'm like, okay. I love mint tea.
So good.
Yeah.
Funny because like in my day-to-day, like I really don't regularly drink tea.
Yeah.
But here it's like it's been a regular daily thing.
You don't drink tea?
Not really. I'm more of a coffee.
Yeah, because you're from Canada. Like Canada and America, they would drink coffee.
Although in Lebanon we drink a lot of tea.
Yeah.
So like in my household, my parents drink a lot of tea.